My name is Bill Rogers. I live in Harvey Bay, Queensland, Australia. 30 years ago I had a lot of dental work done, capping, bridging, etc. And that now, of course, the teeth began to fall out. So I looked around for a new set of dentures. Came to a pass, of course, the latest is implants, so I investigated Australia, Thailand, Malaysia, and lastly India. Now the first countries I mentioned, other than India, all had one thing in common, and that is they wouldn't tell you the price. They told you everything but it. And there was always came down, when you deeply investigated, that they were a part of a consortium that did travel dental work. In other words, you weren't dealing directly with the dentist, you were directing with an agency. This made me suspicious, of course, because they would never admit that as to who was going to do the work. They were going to find somebody. On further investigation, I looked at India really as the last resort, and I came across this Dr. Motiwala. Within a day, he'd replied to my inquiry and indicated the price, which I asked, an indicative price, not a final price, an indicative price. And his price was more than reasonable. So I made a decision right there and then to have the work done. It took a little while, of course, to get here, but when I arrived, I had a driver. They had a driver waiting for me, hotel booked, and the same day I arrived, the initial consultation, it was decided that I would have basal implants, a total mouth reconstruction, which I was quite happy about. The price was more than reasonable, so ahead we went. 3 days later, there's the result, a lovely smile. The whole process was smooth and well informed. Every part of the operation was explained to me as it was happening, and inquiring all the time if I was in pain or was uncomfortable, etc., which I wasn't. But it was nice to know that somebody was caring. So the end result, after 3 days, 4 days, is a nice set of teeth, no pain, and terribly happy. Even my wife is happy, which is unusual.